D.
D.
Mm-hmm.
How do you say the D?
D like dog. One straight one and kind of half round like that. Remember?
Is it okay if I write it here?
Yeah. Kind of ran out of room. Sometimes we do that. Very good. Okay, do you want to write house on the other side?
Yeah. Is this olive?
That's bird. Do you remember how to spell it?
House?
How did it? No, bird. How did we spell bird? Turn around and look at your letters again. And then what? The B and the I, and then what?
And
And then what?
that's all the letters.
Now, can you tell me what they are?
B. I. R. What are the other ones?
And what was the last one?
I can't. I don't remember it. D.
Very good.